Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony and you are watching Bricks and Blooms. This video is a tote and carry unboxing video. I purchased the Apollo 2 carry-on kit set in the crocodile skin pattern. It is a kit, so it has 2 surprises. Enjoy! Okay, everybody, so I got my 2 bags. These are small, and they're actually carry-on size. I did order 2 more because we are a family of 4. I kind of ordered them like a few days apart. I just wanted to make sure that the shipping was okay. It actually came quicker than my first recent purchase from Tote and Carry. So this is the last purchase that I got, was the extra large duffel Apollo 2 in the snakeskin, and that took quite a few days to ship. But okay, I am super excited. I'm just going to show one because they both are identical. They look exactly the same. So I'm just going to put this up here if I have space. Okay. And I'm going to take out the tag. Well, let me just explain it. Okay. So at first glance, the quality is as expected. This is vegan leather. The Tote and Carry symbol is on the front pocket. There is, what's a compartment? There's a front pocket on the compartment that goes pretty deep, if you can see that. And then, okay, I'm gonna have to figure this out. There's like a lock situation, and I don't know how to get into it, so I'm gonna have to figure this out. But the zipper is attached to, like, I'm gonna have to bring it closer. The zipper is attached to this type of situation here. I don't know if it's something I just push or a combination or what, but I have to figure that out. Okay, here is the back. It has a zipper, also the name Tote and Carry on it. There's a zipper in the back as well. It goes pretty deep. It's kind of tight right now. Let me see if I can. So I'm going to lift this up. I'm going to take this off. This plastic. Be careful because the gold is nice. You don't want to scratch it when removing this. But it should be able to handle some wear and tear because it's going to get like moved around in the airport if you put it in the checked baggage. Because some people don't like to do carry-ons. They like to kind of be free of anything in their hand. And they just like to walk on the plane. Okay. So this is nice. I like the handle. That also says Total Carry is everywhere. Like, it's on everything. Like, you'll see they have definitely like branded their product. I'm not like, I don't care about that. I just care about the actual style of it. Very, very sturdy. Here is a clasp to open it, and it's gold hardware with a plastic bottom. And now I have to get into, I gotta figure out how to get into this. I have no idea how to get into this. It looks like it's a combination lock or something. It has numbers on it. So I have to figure that out. Other than that, it's beautiful. I just can't get into the thing. And let me check and see if there's anything in the box regarding it. No, the box is empty. The box is completely empty. And there's nothing in the plastic. I will say I absolutely love this. I will definitely be keeping these for when I'm not using them at home. I will be storing them in this. So, it's so secure I can't get into my own bag. I really love the design. I might have to check my email for like a code or something. I really don't know how to get into this. Okay, I have figured it out. I went to email the company, but I figured it out in waiting for the response. So this took me 2 minutes after pausing the video. You put zeros on the 3 numbers. You have to turn them. You have to turn it with your finger to the right or left. And I zeroed out every single number, and then I pushed, and then it allowed me to push this clasp in and get the zippers out. So now I can show you the inside of the bag. Okay. Bunch of filling. Oh, I forgot this came with a toiletry bag, which is why I didn't put another one in my cart, because I knew this came with it. And I remember in the last video I said I was going to buy another one. So these are the clear transparent toiletry bags from Tote & Carry. If you've seen my other video collection with the duffels, I show it, but I forgot to show what I have inside of it. So let me show you really quick. One day I was going grocery shopping and I saw this at my grocery store. Now, you can get these anywhere, but it was on sale for $6. And when I went on Amazon, it was like over $8, $8 or more, up to $20 for things like this. So I just got a few of these. When you do a check bag, they don't have to, they can be regular size hygiene products, but if you're doing carry-on, you can use these. So I have one already that I keep in my car. I watch too many movies just in case I got to make a quick getaway. It's in my car. And check out what's in my car video. You'll see that. But, so I just got 3 for the other members of my family. And, that's it. So I forgot to add that in the last video. Each bag is equipped with a few things. And then they can fit extra stuff in here. As you can see, it's a lot of room. They can fit extra stuff in here. I'm definitely keeping the dust bags to this. I think they are super cute and durable. It doesn't matter about the actual like name or anything. I just think they're a good thing to keep your products very good. And of course, this is probably here another coupon discount code. So that is that. And then also, which I thought was really cute, I believe this is a passport holder. So I won't have to purchase passport holders separately. Okay. Get rid of all this stuff. I didn't know it came with a string, another discount code. All right, so this is the passport holder. You can put your passport in here. You can put cards in here, which I wouldn't do. I'm going to purchase an air tag. I would have these like in whatever I'm like have strapped on my body. I would keep these in. I wouldn't just hold it like this or whatever. But I would have that in here. I probably wouldn't even need this. But I would purchase an air tag and probably keep it in here somehow. And I think this is like really cute. I was going to purchase my own, but now I don't have to. So I'm saving money, especially that I'm getting 2 more suitcases. So everybody in the family will have a passport holder with their suitcase, with their duffel. So this is what the inside looks like. Oops. Okay, so I guess this is extra rims. Extra rims for the wheels. That's cute. More discount. So here's a mesh pocket here. There's an interior pocket in the wall. And 2 straps to strap down your clothes. Here's another, I mean, it's like a regular suitcase. It has another zipper in the lining. And the inside has a huge pocket. I'm not holding this up good enough for you guys. And you can go either way with this. So there's 2 pockets. One that is the length of the flap, and this one is the width of the flap. Really nice. They're really good with compartments. I love it. I don't know how to set a combination for this, but I'll figure it out. I'll wait for their email. But this is the Apollo 2 and the croc pattern carry-on suitcase. The price points, $140, but I got a discount. I got $30 off of my purchase. So I think it's a really good price for the style, for the luxury. Now, if you're trying to be a discount shopper, you can definitely get a whole luggage set for $140. Go to Ross, go to TJ Maxx, like go to those places, and you might get a luxury one. I did buy a set for my husband. It's a Nautica one, so it's very sporty. But I wanted to kind of like get more of a business look with this set for the whole family. All right, see you guys later. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out my tote and carry collection video. It shows all the duffels and the backpacks that I have so far. I am waiting on a rolling duffel and another backpack. I probably will not do a third video because it would just be redundant. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Ebony and you are watching Bricks and Blooms. God bless.